This A minor F C G chord progression is used in dark trap songs and also in upbeat trap melodies. You can play around with inversions, Ctrl R up to put the inversions up like this. And you can just play around and then see if they sound better already. Feel free to cut away here with the cutter tool to make some more interesting chord progressions like this, for example. And let's see how it sounds. This A minor chord in combination with the suspended 2 and a suspended 4 chord can be used in really dark trap beats. Let's listen to this, it creates some dissonance right here. Some people also remove the top notes like this. And then you can create a melody on top that is very simple and repeating. And this chord progression is also very popular. It is a 6-5-4-5 chord progression and it loops nicely. In this example, I added this in A minor. And let's have a listen at this. You can get creative with the chord progression, add small notes here in scale and cut in between and you can get this effect. It's just an example. Or you can put it 1 octave lower. This next chord progression is also a possibility if you want to start it with a D minor. You get something like this. Now, if you want a more upbeat ending, you get something like this. So you get more relief like this, with a minor one here for the G minor for more tension. With these chords, you can also copy them 1 octave down. So you get this layer like here. And you can also Ctrl Shift, bring this one down. And you can also bring those down. And here, fill in the notes here in the scale. Feel free to delete these and try out. Can also put them 1 octave up together, Ctrl R up. So these are some basic chord progressions that you can use to experiment with, and I hope those helped. Subscribe to my channel to see more tips, and I see you there.